Hi children, hello, how are you? I hope you are all safe in the home. Okay children, don't go outside, don't play with outside children. You have to stay in a home and watch all subject videos and English videos. Have you watching the videos children? Are you watching the videos children? You have to watch the videos and improve your listening skills, writing skills, reading skills. Yes children, you have to improve your skills. In the leisure time, you have to do what you have to do children? Playing, drawing or watching TV, games. Including that you have to watch videos, English videos and reading newspapers, story books. Yes. So, you have to watch the videos. I am joining one video. I am reading one paragraph. Okay. You have to watch the video and watch this, listen the story, understand the story. Yes children. After that you have to answer the bits. Okay children. You have to watch the video repeatedly. Okay. Along with me. Then only you can write the answers. Okay children.
The raindrops. It was a day as pretty as it could have been. A gang of little raindrops woke up in the cloud, happy to be alive, happy to live in such a gorgeous blue home. Oh, their days were full of joys and laughter, and playing and bouncing around it in the clouds. You wait and watch. Today I'm going to defeat Droopy in race to Cloud 9. And my friends and I are going riding beyond the mountains on Cloud Fluffy. And we are going to make art with the 7 colors of sunlight. Oh, aren't we lucky to be little drops? What a day it is going to be. Come on, let's go. Wait. We might have work to do today. Work? What work, Rainy? Look. What about it? Moisty, don't you think the leaves of trees have become all dusty and dirty? And see there. My, the water hole has become really small. Yes, Droopy, it's time we all went down there. Can't we go tomorrow? I had my entire day planned. Come on, Moisty. If we all do it together, work will be such an amazing fun. Our friends on earth need us. Come on. Fine, Rainy. We should go and gather everyone. If we don't get together, none of us will be able to get a thing done. That's the spirit, Drips. Down below, the world was really struggling in the heat and the lack of water. Mommy, it is so hot and I'm thirsty. Can I go to the water drop hole, please? Oh, darling, don't go near the water hole. It has become so small that any hunter will be able to attack you. Just wait a while, dear. I'm certain our friends, the raindrops, it will come soon. Drinks water but spits it out, the giraffe. The water level is so less that I cannot take a sip without the pebbles and sand getting into it. When will the raindrops come? It is so hot and my thick hide does not make it easier. What do we do? Raindrops come, please come. The grass is so dry and tasteless. There is hardly any grass left at all. If the raindrops don't come soon, we shall all starve. Not just animals, but even humans were desperately waiting for the rains. We all have done what we could. We tilled the land, planted the seeds, but if no rain comes, no crops will grow. What we will sell then, and how we will feed our children? And our cattle? Keep faith. I'm sure the clouds and the rain will not desert us. Up in the clouds, Rainy was whistling everyone to gather around. Soon, all millions of raindrops in all the floating clouds gathered in the sky. Before rainy. Hello, everyone. Look at the condition of Earth. All the raindrops look down. Oh, the situation is bad. Itch, they need us badly. Yes, they do. It's time. All of us need to go to Earth and help our friends there. Everyone get ready in 10. Yeah, hoo hoo, yeah, alright. Soon the raindrops were ready. Raindrops, dive now to Earth. To Earth? The raindrops dive towards the earth. Thousands of them get in sheets of rain, in great sheets of rain. The trees and flowers and birds saw them approach. Yahoo! Finally, the rain is coming. The rain is coming. Oh, yes, well, pitter patter, welcome all drops. How are you, old oak? So much better to see you. Thanks for coming. Now my leaves will get a thorough wash and sigh. The breeze will become cool and fresh again. Mommy, what is this beautiful fragrance? Where is it coming from? From there. When rain mixes with the soil, both of them together produces this ethereal fragrance. It is the bestest smell ever. Finally, the water hole is increasing here. Darling, drink your fill. The water tastes so fresh and cool, I could drink the whole pond. Drink your fill and see that. Yahoo! Come and play with us. Come and play with us. This is such fun. Thank you, Rain. The little army of raindrops soak the soil, making the roots swell with health, making the trees greener and bigger, making fresh, new, luscious grass grow. With the rain falling in torrents, the water holes grew bigger as animals and birds drank their fill and played and laughed in it. The raindrops collected in the little rivulets that flowed from the guideline, merging together as gigantic rivers that gushed through forests and fields. Even the tired human beings and parched farmlands welcomed the rain, and crops began to grow, and the sun's scorching heat chased down. Together, the little raindrops gave the earth a glorious renewal of life and happiness. They flowed happily day and night, till one day they reached the greatest expanse of water that ever was, the mighty ocean. Happy the raindrops swam and surfed on its waves. Who you? Yahoo! How we love to surf. Their job on earth was done. So the sun came to pick them up and take them home. Its rains shone over the ocean. One by one the drops climbed onto them. And finally the sun dropped them back to the mushy clouds dwelling in the sky. Yes, we did it, see below. The raindrops did so well. But wait, shh, the raindrops are asleep now. We must not make noise. After all their hard work, they deserve a rest, don't you think? Just like the raindrops, when we work together and work for a purpose, the work becomes fun and makes everyone happy. Thank you.
Okay, I hope you are all and enjoy the watching the video and understand the story. I hope you are all understood. After that you have to answer these bits. Okay children, you have to write only one word. Okay, what does the drops on the clouds decided? What does raindrops on their clouds decided? Who were waiting for raindrops? Who were waiting for raindrops? Why were they waiting for raindrops? Why were they waiting for raindrops? What did the raindrops do to those who were waiting for raindrops? Fifth one, how are raindrops helpful for us? How are raindrops helpful for us? Who was raindrops' friend? Who was raindrops' friend? What does raindrops on their clouds decided? Who were waiting for raindrops? Why were they waiting for raindrops? What did the raindrops do to those who were waiting for raindrops? How are raindrops helpful for us? Who was raindrops' friend? Okay children, pause the video and write it down. Okay children, watch the video, understand the story and answer these bits. Okay children? What does raindrops on their clouds decided? Who are waiting for the raindrops? Why were they waiting for raindrops? What did the raindrops do to those who were waiting for raindrops? How are raindrops helpful for us? Who was raindrops' friend? Okay children, pause the video and write it down.
Snake and parrots. Deep in dense jungle, there lived a family of parrots in their nest. The mother parrot had laid her eggs in the nest. The parrots said to each other, "The rainy season is around the corner and the little ones are about to be born. Let's go collect and store food for feeding the little ones." The parrots flew in search of food. A snake lived in a mud burrow under the tree heard the parrot speak. The snake said to himself, "Let me feast on the eggs while they are gone." The snake climbed the tree and crept into the nest. It looked on the eggs with an evil grin and started feasting on them. The parrots, after collecting food, returned back to their nest. They found the broken eggshell and they started to cry. A monkey hunting for fruits came by that side. Looking at the parrots' cry, the monkey said, Sad to see you both in tears. Tell me the story. I am all ears. The sad parrot replied to the monkey, while we were gone in search of food, my eggs were eaten by the snake with the hood. The monkey, hearing the parrot's story, felt sad and it asked the snake, why did you eat the eggs that were in the nest? The snake, with a mean mind, hissed and said, shabbed at the monkey and said, how dare you question me once more, and I will bite you. The monkey sits all sad with the parrots. Monkey gets an idea. Monkey calls a crow. Cow, cow. Monkey then narrates what happened and tells the crow. The princess removes her jewelers while she takes a shower. Can you fly into the courtyard, pick the jewel, and drop into the snake's burrow? Crow agrees to the idea and said, cow, cow. I'd be more than happy to do that, to get rid of that mean snake. Cow. The crow then flies to the castle and sees the princess taking a shower. It sees the royal jeweler on the table. The crow then swoops down, grabs the jewel, and flies towards the snake's burrow. The maid of the princess notices it and yells out to the guards, crow thief, stole the jewel. Catch, catch. The guards hear the maids shriek and start to run behind the crow. They notice the crow drop the jewel into the snake's burrow and perch on the tree. The jewel landed on the snake's neck of the sleeping snake. Wow, that's a lovely jewel. The guards with their spear dug the snake burrows and the snake comes out. The guards asked the snake to hand over the jewel and the snake said, this is mine. Finders, keepers, and losers are weepers. The guards got so angry and killed the snake with their spear and took the jewel away. The parrot, monkey, and the crow left off a big sigh. The parrots thanked the monkey and the crow for their help and lived with their younglings happily ever after. Children, after watching this snake and the parrot, please answer this following questions. So the first question is, Dash went out to collect and store Dash. Second one, who lived under the tree in a burrow? Dash ate the younglings. Dash came to see the sad parrots. Monkey warned Dash. Here warned in the sense like instructing and asking why did you eat the younglings. So whom did monkey warn that you will know if you watch the video. Monkey seeks help from Dash. What did the crow steal? Who lived happily ever after? So children, first watch the video. Watch it 2-3 times. If you understand it, then answer the questions. If you didn't get the one of the questions, answer of the questions, then watch the video again and do one thing. Along with watching the video, answer the questions so that it will be easy for you and it will be very fast to answer. Now I'll repeat the questions. Dash, first one, Dash went out to collect and store Dash. Second one, Who lived under the tree in a burrow? Third one, dash ate the younglings. Fourth one, dash came to see the sad parrots. Fifth one, monkey want dash. Sixth one, monkey seeks help from dash. Seeks ante adagadam. That means asking. Whom did the monkey ask the help? So seventh one, what did the crow steal? Eighth one, last, who lived happily ever after? So please note down these questions and you will get the answer the questions.